Hi, Jim Pryor here. We're at a 3-bed semi-detached house where our clients are looking to reduce noise from next door in their open plan kitchen extension. Having completed the before soundproofing tests, we have sheeted up and are now ready to get to work. Using our 4-step method, we will reduce the noise by treating the main cause, the direct path, the indirect path, the fixtures and fittings. With this house, we believe there are 2 main causes that are amplifying the noise from next door. Dot and dab on the walls and an uninsulated RSJ. So we've discovered this dot and dab adhesive on the extension wall. Now these are the dollops of adhesive, and what happens is you fix plasterboard to these dollops of adhesive and it creates a pocket of air, a hollow void, a cavity. Now in this cavity, noise is transmitting, it's resonating in this hollow cavity, just like any wind instrument. The noise is louder at the other end. So first things first, we need to remove all the dot and dab plasterboard from this kitchen extension wall. Next, we need to remove the plasterboard from the RSJ and expose the uninsulated steel joist running through the kitchen extension. So we've uncovered the steel RSJ, which is running into the party wall, which has allowed this open plan kitchen extension. But this is a hollow void running all the way through, and the noise is shooting all the way across that RSJ. Up here, we have this dot and dab technique again, which is again amplifying the noise. And here we've got an even bigger void that we found on the extension wall down there. And what we have is the noise transmitting across the whole of this RSJ, which is transmitting noise across the whole of the house and to the upstairs bedrooms. This dot and dab plasterboard technique had been used across all the walls, so we needed to remove this completely from all the walls and the RSJ before installing any soundproofing. Using our 4-step method, we sound deadened, insulated and installed TPS30W to the RSJ. We installed TPS80W and TPS65W to the party wall. We installed TPS50W to the extension wall, TPS50W to the separating lounge and kitchen diner wall, and we treated the ceiling and the floor, leaving everything soundproofed, sealed and ready for plastering. Once plastered, we're ready for step 4 in our 4-step method, the fixtures and fittings. Here we fit new skirting, light switches, plug sockets and finished flooring, TV brackets and pictures and mirrors, all in a way that ensures the soundproofing is not compromised. These include specialist acoustic boxes for the downlighters in the ceiling, which are installed from above. These prevent noise going through the lighting holes up into the bedroom, but they also stop the upstairs neighbour noise transmitting indirectly through the ceiling into the client's kitchen. Make sure you watch part 3 of the series where we show you the soundproofing result.
The volume is on 82. Can you hear it?
No, we cannot hear the TV, we cannot hear anything.